Hey guys, this is Josh Check here again, and today is we're going to have the review of the A6 Smartwatch after 2 months of use. Let's go. Alright guys, this is Josh here, and today is we're going to talk about the A6 Smartwatch that I purchased 2 months ago at Shopee. Alright, so actually let's start with the good side. The strap is still nice here. It really looks classy guys after 2 months, so it does not fade at all. Now, let's talk about the negative side. So I have been trying to turn it on, but I cannot turn it on, guys. So I have here my power bank, and I try actually to charge it. Let's Yeah, it just say like that guys, said like it looks like it's really charging, but it is not really working guys. I am so sorry. I am not sure if I really damage it because I just normally wore it like a normal smartwatch, but I cannot really seem to have it turned on for a long time guys. It is actually dead. And I'm not saying that this smartwatch is really terrible. Maybe I just got the maybe unfortunate smartwatch when it was delivered to me. It was actually working pretty fine for a couple of weeks and even a month, but after a month and a half it started to function like this. So I was charging it but I couldn't seem it to boot up. So guys, yeah, after 2 months, the A6 smartwatch is broken. Okay, so maybe I just got the defective product, but overall, I can say that yeah, it's for the price. You cannot really say that it's gonna last for a very long time. And I can also hear that some people can use this one for 1 year or I don't know. Just it's how you use it maybe, or it's just like some luck if you got some defective products. Okay. Alright, so if you have any questions guys about this A6 smartwatch, just kindly comment down below. And again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell for you to be updated about the latest and affordable smartwatch and also gadgets out there. Okay, and this has been Josh, and I'll see you soon.